saying goodbye. This time, the same old story. Seeing you cry makes me feel like saying sorry. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons, and I'm going to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested. This is Hawthorne Heights. This is how to play saying sorry, which I'm doing right now because I forgot the name of the song for a second. So this song is like probably more on the intermediate and stuff, especially if you want to be doing like lead stuff and everything. I'm just going to show you how to do rhythm stuff for it. And it's basically just a bunch of power chords. So I'm just going to tell you the strings to play them on, and I'm going to tell you starting, and I'm going to tell you the frets. All right. So there's a fair amount of them. So please hit subscribe and like so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials and stuff, as long as you enjoy it. In fact, even if you don't enjoy it, please do. All right. And then also, please let me know in the requests if you have any other songs that you want to learn. Okay, whether they're country, punk, classic rock, whatever. I'll do my best for you. All right. So let's get into it. So the rhythm for this, I'm just gonna teach you the rhythm. The rhythm is you're gonna start on the A, D, and G string. All right. I'm muting the E string. Okay. So you're just gonna play it like that. That's how I play the power chords. Some people play them like that. It's whatever you want to do, but that's how I play it. So you're gonna do 4, 6, 6. So you're just gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then you go to 9. So you're staying on the same strings here. So you go from 4, 6, 6, okay? And then you're gonna go up to 7, 9, 9, okay? All right, then you're gonna go onto the E, A, and D strings and stay on the 7th and 9th frets. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do there. And then you're gonna start over and you're gonna go 4, 6, 6. Okay, then back up to 7, 9, 9. All right, and then you're gonna go up to on the E, A, D. All right, you're gonna go back to the 7, 9, 9. All right, then you're gonna go down to 5, 7, 7 on the E, A, D strings. This is in standard tuning, by the way. I didn't mention that earlier, but it is. And there's no capo, obviously. All right, so then 5, 7, 7, and then back up to 7, 9, 9. All right, so I'm showing you what the strings are, where they are and everything. The way that you'll play it is you're gonna go ba-da-da-da-da. So you're just doing down, up, 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 down, up. 4, 6, 6, 7, 9, 9, E, A, D, 7, 9, 9. Okay, so the second time you're doing it, when you get to the 7, 9, 9, you go, and then I'm on 5, 7, 7. Now I'm back to 7, 9, 9. Okay, then you're gonna go right into the verse, and the verse is really easy. Okay, you're just gonna do 4. You're gonna do the 4, 6, 6 that we're doing on the A, D, and G strings. Okay, so you're just doing. Okay, you're gonna palm mute. All right, palm mute, and then on the twice down, down. Okay, so you see that you're muting down, down, and then you take it off, and you're gonna hit it a third time. Okay. And then you're gonna do it again. So you're gonna do that, and you'll be able to hear that in a song. Like that part's pretty easy. Okay, then what you're gonna do for the parts where you're not just doing, all right, that's how it sounds. Down, down, out, mute, mute, open, okay? All right, and then you're gonna come, when you're doing the other part, you're gonna do 5, 7, 7 on the E, A, and D strings, okay? Okay, 5, 7, 7. 7, 9, 9. And you do it again. 4, 6, 6. All right. 5, 7, 7 on the E, A, and D. Slide up to 7, 9, 9. 4, 6. Okay, just like that. Now for the pre-chorus part, so that's how you play the intro and the first verse, and the second verse too, I guess. All right. Now for the pre-chorus part, you're gonna be on the E, A, and D strings for the whole part right here, okay? You're gonna do E, A, and D, you're gonna do 5, 7, 7, the power chord, okay? Then you're gonna go up to 7, 9, 9. Then you're gonna go up to 9, 11, 11. Okay, then you're gonna go back down to 7, 9, 9. So there's a pattern here. They're going up 2 frets every time, okay? And then back down. Okay, so after you do 11, 9, 9, you go back to 7, 9, 9. Sorry, that was 9, 11, 11. Now you go back down to 7, 9, 9. okay? Then you're gonna go back down to 577, okay? And then back up again. You're gonna do the exact same thing, okay? 799, 11, so 9, 11, 11, and then back to 799. This is the part where it just sounds like light picking, okay? Repeat. And then you just end on 799. Okay, now the chorus is actually probably the easiest part of the whole song, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna do very similar to what you were just doing. You're gonna do 755. Sing you cry this time, same old story. Sing you cry. Okay, so you're just doing the E, A, and D strings. You're doing 755. You're down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you're going from 755 on the you're on the E, A, and D strings this whole time in the chorus. Okay, 577, then 799, okay, then up to 91111, and then back down to 799, okay, and then you're going to start over. So you're going to do that twice. You're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down. Sing you cry this time, the same old story. Sing goodbye. I can't remember the lyrics too well, but anyway, so you just do that part twice, okay? And then you'll end it on 799. And you go back to 466. Okay? And just do that, and you're going to repeat the second verses the same as the first one. All right, so now for the bridge, the rhythm acoustic part is you're doing the 466, okay, on the A, D, and G strings, all right, like that, and then you're going to slide down, well, you slide or just go to 244 on the same strings, okay, so you're just doing, okay, so 244, and then you're going to go to 755 on the E, A, and D strings. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so you can see it's just those same 466, 244, and then 755 on the E, A, and D strings. Okay, the first part of it though is on the A, D, and G strings. Okay, so that's it. That's how you play the whole song. I hope that was very useful for you. It's hard on some of these really like punk rock songs. I love them, but it's hard to get like really intricate with the strumming and stuff sometimes. So I hope that was useful for you guys. And I'm sorry I didn't include all the lead on it. It's just a lot, and there's a lot to break down in the song. But it's a great song. I hadn't heard it before. So, but Hawthorne Heights is great. So, anyway, it takes me back to my youth. Let me know if you guys have any questions or other songs you want to learn. Thanks for watching, and it's been fun. I'll see you next time.